Cyber Hawk Academy. Mission 005 Weaponize Burp Suite to hunt web vulnerabilities. Mission title: Mission 005 Intercept, Scan, Exploit, Weaponizing Burp Suite to hack websites. Phase 1. Setting up the Burp Suite environment. Before we launch attacks, we configure our weapon. Step 1. Install Burp Suite Community Edition. If using Kali Linux, Burp is pre-installed. On Windows or other distros, download from https://ports wigger.net/burp/community. Download. Step 2. Configure your browser to work with Burp. Launch Burp gives click proxy greater than intercept greater than on open Firefox. Go to settings greater than network settings greater than manual proxy set HTTP proxy to 127.0.0.1 and port to 8080. Screenshot 1. Burp proxy config. Screenshot 2. Firefox proxy settings. Phase 2. Intercepting live traffic. Before a strike, we observe the target. Visit the vulnerable test website http://testphp.vulaneweb.com. Burp Suite will capture all HTTP requests between the browser and server. Look out for login forms, URL parameters, cookies, user agent headers. Phase 3. Scanning and target discovery. In Recon, visibility is power. Go to Burp greater than target greater than sitemap. You will see all pages discovered during browsing. Right-click the domain, give scan. Scan is limited in the Community Edition, but enough to start. Switch to proxy greater than HTTP history. Analyze the requests manually. Phase 4. Exploit XSS injection. It's test our payloads. Go to the search or comment input field. Inject test payload. HTML copied it. Script alert. Cyberhawk. Script. Submit the form and observe the result. Mission objective: prove the XSS vulnerability using reflected input. Phase 5. Login bypass attack. Many login gates fall to logic flaws. Go to the login form. Try these payloads in username or password fields. SQL copied it. OAuth1 = 1. Admin. Observe whether it logs you in without valid credentials. Phase 6. Documenting the vulnerabilities. A hacker's greatest weapon is proof. Open any notepad or use Cyberhawk's standard template log. Target URL vulnerability, for example reflected XSS payload used proof. Screenshot or behavior observed. Risk level low, med, high. Example: copied it vulnerability, reflected XSS payload. Script alert. Cyberhawk script. Risk medium, may lead to session theft. Phase 7. Mission report summary. Cyberhawk operative, your training has leveled up. You've configured a secure interception system, intercepted live web traffic, discovered endpoints and input fields, injected working XSS, tested login bypass payloads, documented all findings like a professional bug hunter. Tactical lessons learned. Web apps are always talking. Burp lets you listen. Input fields are war zones. Always test with caution. Manual testing beats automation in early stages. No report equals no bounty. Document like a pro. Next mission preview. Mission 006 SQL injection exploitation. Dumping databases in minutes. Hawks don't miss. Stop the threat. Subscribe for the next tactical strike.